Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see the topics for today on data analytics with Excel. Topics are you have pivot tables, what if analysis, data validation, and you have subtotals with range. This is the data that I have right now here. So since the first topic is a pivot table, first let us understand what is a pivot table. So it is we can tell it as a tool that is used to calculate or summarize something or analyze the data or draw some visuals or patterns according to the requirement. Suppose I have a lot of data in my data set and I want to choose few data out of that. We can call this also as a subtable. So in order to do pivot tables, first click on any data. Okay, the data should be there inside the table. So I click on any data, then go to insert, click on insert, then go to pivot table. So when you select the pivot table, so you can see the dancing lines, that means the entire table gets selected. After that, it asks for the option whether you want to create the pivot table for a new sheet or the existing one. So I'll click on the existing one because I'm going to create here right now. So if you are selecting existing one, then I have to select any of the cell in this sheet. So then click on OK. So if you do this, pivot table fields appears along with the columns rows. So whichever field you want as a column, okay, you put it in terms of column, which we want to in rows, you put it in rows. So for example, city I want in column, so then you can put it, okay. Product ID I want in rows, then sales, the total sales I want like this, okay. You can do it, or any of this category. If they don't want the category, you can drop it back, or if you want, you can just select it, okay. So just I'm selecting only two things. Then after selecting, just click on close, okay. So when you view this, you will get a table like this in form of column, then row we have the city. So now here, since I have selected only two fields, it just display the product and the region and the total. Suppose I want to know which region, or I want to know more on this, which category it is, why 261. Of course it displays here, so just double click on this. A separate table will be created from where it has come, which country, what category it is, iPhone, then subcategory, product name, everything gets displayed. So just it gives a summary of the data, whatever it is available. So in the same thing, if I want to know the details of any of this, just double click on that, you will get the details, okay. This is about the pivot table. Hope you understood it. So next is the what if analysis. So what if analysis is nothing but what happens if I do this. So that is the meaning of this. In what if analysis, we have the three categories, that is scenario manager, goal seek, and the data table. So in the exam, whatever they'll give here, what if analysis means you have to explain what if analysis, scenario manager, goal seek, data table, all together you have to do. So first we'll go for scenario manager, okay. Now here is a scenario manager. What is a scenario? You have to type. So amount I have typed it as 3000. Quantity I'll type it as 6. Amount, okay, I'll type 1000. Then what will be the total cost? So total cost will be amount into quantity, right? So that will be the total. What is the profit? So profit is equal to total cost minus miscellaneous expenditure. Total cost minus expenditure, I will get the profit. So now what it means is, for 1000 amount as 1000 rupees, if the quantity is 6, I'll get 6000 total cost and 1200 miscellaneous expenditure. Excluding all these things, what is the profit I got is 4800. Now what if the amount is 3000 and the quantity is 12? What will be the profit? So that we are going to give using the scenario manager. So how to do that is, just click on data, you will get what if analysis, select the scenario manager, Okay, so already I have created, just delete and I'll show it. So I'll just click on add scenario 1. Okay, okay, then changing cells, which cells I am going to change? I am going to change this cell. Okay, so click on OK. What value I am going to change? Instead of 1000 I want 3000, isn't it? So I click on that. Done. So I want to add one more scenario, scenario 2. Which cell? So I want to change this cell, so click here, change this cell. Okay, click on OK. So what I want to change? 6 to 12 I want to change. So that is what we mean here. We want that. So click on OK. So now done. Now the two scenarios whatever we have created is here. So one is, if the amount is 3000, what will be the profit? So click this, click on show. You got it, right? So in scenario 2, if the quantity is 12, amount is 3000, what will be the profit? So click on show. So you got this, right? So this is about the scenario manager. Okay. Next is a data table. So data table is for the given set of data, uh, what will be the amount that comes under what if. So for 2000, the amount for 3000 and quantity 12, so total cost will be 36,000. So what if it is 200 or 300 or 400 quantity or 500 quantity or 600 quantity? So this I have taken it as 12. Same thing if the quantity is 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, then what will be the amount? That we are going to do it with the help of a data table. So what you have to do is same, click on data, what if analysis. Okay, under what if analysis you have a data table. So select this data table. It is asking for row input. We don't have any row input here. We are taking column as an input because I have displayed the contents in terms of a column. So take column input. Then which column input cell I have to take? I have to take this 12. Why I am taking 12? Because based on this quantity, I am drawing the conclusion, like I am finding out what is the total cost. So what will be the quantity? So quantities I am increasing at 200, 300, 4, 5 and 600. Okay, so before that I'll just show you how I got 3000, sorry, 36,000. So it is nothing but the same formula I have put here. Just click on equals, click on the total cost, then enter, because I want the same formula here also. So for 12 quantity it is 36,000, and for 200 quantity what will be the amount? So same formula I have taken. So next I'll go for same thing, what if analysis, data table. So already I told it is a column input, column which input based on the quantity. So just click on that, then click on OK. So first select the data here. Okay, first I have to select the table here. So I have selected the table, and then this I have taken, already I have shown equals. I'll take what will be the profit. Okay, so next here same thing, click on data, go to data table. So here I have column input, so I am just selecting which column. Based on the quantity I want to know what will be the profit. If the amount is 3000, if the quantity is 2000, 200, 300, just it will display it. So when you click on this, so select a table. Okay, so I'm going to select the entire table, then click on the data table. Okay, row input is not there since it is column, so I'll click on this quantity, then click on OK. So you can see what will be the profit if the quantity is 200, 300, 400 you will get. You can use this for maturity of any LIC or mutual funds, say, or any kinds of shares. Okay. Next is a goal seek. Goal seek, as the name indicates, if I want to reach this, what I should do. Same what if analysis, I have taken a subjects here, total percentage I've already calculated, but I have not put DM marks here. So if I want to get total as 5 or 450, so right now my total is 343, I want to get 450, then how much I need to score in DM? So that is what we call it as a goal seek. So again, click on data, go to what if analysis, you have option called as goal seek. So to value, set cell to which value. So which value I am going to set? This cell. Okay, set cell. So this total cell to which value. So right now I am having 343. I am setting it to 400 by changing cell. Which cell I want to change? I want to change this cell. Okay. First one is, yeah, select this total, changing to 450, and which cell I want to change this cell. Just click on OK. Okay. Automatically it will calculate and it will say. So in order to get the 400 as the total, so what I have to get? I have to get 57 marks in data analytics. So here it is a mistake, actually 400 I had typed. So in order to get the 400 as a total, I have to score 57 in data analytics. Suppose I want to change it, because that is 100%, so 450 it didn't take it. Okay, so this is how the goal seek works. Next is a data validation. Already you know what is a data validation. Checks whether it is a number or a name or character, whatever it is. So I'm just checking on the number. I have the data here. Just to click on data, go to data validation. First option is data validation. So what I'm doing here, so you have a lot of option here, whole number, any value. So I'll take the whole number because I want a number. So between it has, between I am given minimum 10. So I have to enter minimum 10, maximum up to 100 I have taken. Okay. Then if you want to input any message or error alert, so what I'll do, title I'll give it as error, then alert I'll write it as please enter between 10 to 100. So this message I can give. Then I'll click on OK. So now it is applied. So here I've entered 23, no problem. If I entered any character, it will ask please enter between 10 to 100. So like this you can work for any of this. So now I'll enter 1. So again it will show because I have to enter from 10 to 100. So this is how you do validation for your project or any of the things. And the last one is subtotal with range. So now based on this range, see, yeah, from west I have got this, north, south I have, east I have. So if I want subtotals, then I can do it. I have an option in the data called as a subtotal, the last option. Okay, this I have to apply. So what I'll do is first select this, then go for subtotal. So it is asking the row, so I'll just summarize the below data. So give or summarize the below data. So what it has done, the previous data, whatever it is there, like west to north, it has categorized into west to north separate, it has given the total. So this is about the subtotal with the range. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.